Imagine a world where emergency responders can quickly deploy drones to gather critical information at accident scenes or disaster zones. That's the vision behind the partnership between Nokia and Swisscom Broadcast in deploying the largest drones as a service network in the country. This ambitious project will see 300 Nokia drone-in-a-box units strategically placed across the country. These high-tech stations house drones ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. These drones, equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, can provide real-time data to first responders, helping them make life-saving decisions. But the benefits extend beyond public safety. Industries like construction and infrastructure inspection can also reap the rewards. Drones can inspect hard-to-reach areas, identifying potential hazards before they become serious problems. This technology has the potential to also significantly improve worker safety. Nokia's drone network solution is at the heart of this project. It's a comprehensive system that includes not just drones, but also the ground control stations, software, and even integration with other systems like traffic monitoring and video management. An integral part of the Nokia MXIE platform architecture, they enable easy onboarding of additional applications for industrial customers with edge computing needs, such as creating 3D maps or detecting assets. This will also support Switzerland's public safety and Industry 4.0 efforts and highlight Nokia's strength in modernizing digital infrastructure projects. This collaboration with Swisscom Broadcast will enable the advancement of industrial use cases, automation, beyond visual line of sight operations, as well as the expansion of 3GPP technologies for drone use in Switzerland. Dominic Muller, CEO of Swisscom Broadcast, expressed his excitement in partnering with Nokia on the project. He emphasized on how drones in Switzerland can be used for public safety as well as drive industrial innovation. Raghav Sehgal, President of Cloud and Network Services at Nokia, talked about how essential Nokia's drone networks platform is, combining with Swisscom's expertise in creating a powerful tool for the people of Switzerland.